Hi there, students. Kinesics. Kinesics. A study. A noun. A countable noun. Kinesic as an adjective, and even kinesically as an adverb. Okay, this is a posh technical word for body language. Okay, kinesics is the study of body movements such as gestures and your facial expressions as part of your communication. Okay, I think kinesics itself is a subset of non-verbal communication, because, for example, I could go, and that's not kinesics, that's a sign, it's a sign language. This has a direct meaning. Let's see, some of the people who study kinesics don't like the phrase body language because they say it's not a language. But kinesics is studying how people move when they're communicating with each other and what that actually means. So, for example, I don't know if you've noticed, but normally when I start a video, I rub my hands. And I think this is my mind saying, ooh, goody, let's go. This is an opportunity to do something interesting and to teach people something new. And the fact that I'm looking forward to making the video. I don't know. Well, notice that one. You see, maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Yeah. So kinesics. This is effectively the study of bodily movements and gestures. They say that the actual words that we use when we communicate normally give less information than the kinesics that we actually use while we are talking. This is talking explanation going on. Yeah, you could wink at somebody. Yeah, or you could nod. Yeah. Notice there is still an argument about whether some kinesics are universal or not. But clearly there are different, kinesically speaking, there are differences in languages. For example, when the police interview a suspect, I think they pay more attention to the suspect's kinesics than they do to the actual answers, because the kinesics give away the information as to whether this person is telling the truth or not. And kinesics give us a lot of information. Very often we're completely unaware of this, but it still strongly influences how we communicate. So, I don't know, to shrug. Yeah, kinesics is the role of body movements in communication. Okay, so kinesics, yeah, effectively body language, but it's a much more formal and technical way of saying it. I think body language is the popular way of doing it. So, formality, kinesics. 7.5 informality. Informally used body language. I think kinesics use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, no more. And then as to origin, okay, this word comes from ancient Greek kinesis, talking about motion or movement. But I think this word kinesia was probably coined in the 1940s, something like that. Okay, so kinesics. The interpretation of the different body movements, like your facial expressions or my gestures with the hands, yeah, or I'm pointing forward, so I'm interested in you, where my feet are pointing, a million other things. And it's non-verbal behavior related to movement. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I'm looking directly at you. That's a good thing. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Kinesics.